Hi, my name is Todd Bufkin, Chief Flight Instructor here at the Bell Training Academy, and today I'd like to share with you 5 tips to keep in mind while disinfecting your aircraft. Remember, these are only recommendations, and you should always check the CDC and other global health organization websites for the latest in disinfecting procedures. Now you're thinking, I already cleaned my aircraft, so let's establish what the difference is. Cleaning is simply wiping away those contaminants, whereas disinfecting is killing them with the use of chemicals. Now that we know the difference between cleaning and disinfecting, first thing we want to do is make sure that we open the doors 20 minutes before and 20 minutes after disinfecting. This will allow airflow through the cockpit, as well as allowing any odors that may have incurred with the disinfecting process to dissipate. When disinfecting your aircraft, be sure and use products that conform with CDC and other global health organization websites. For hard, non-porous surfaces, we recommend using a concentrated disinfectant cleaner. For windscreens and windshields, an approved acrylic or glass cleaner should be used on those surfaces. When disinfecting your aircraft, it's important to use rags or cloths that can be disposed of immediately afterwards to avoid cross-contamination. If you're getting ready to go fly, it's recommended that you use a zip-top bag to contain those rags or cloths until they can be disposed of properly after the flight. When disinfecting the cockpit and the passenger areas, be sure to focus on hot spots that people frequently come into contact with, such as headrests, armrests, the seat, the flight controls, and the headsets. Also pay particular attention to switches and circuit breakers that you may use during the course of the flight. Be mindful of the fact that some components within the aircraft are not manufactured by Bell specifically, so please refer to that company's guidelines for disinfecting. And there you have it, 5 tips for disinfecting your aircraft from the Bell Training Academy. As things are always changing, remember to refer to CDC and other World Health Organization guidelines as information changes constantly. Thank you for being here. We're all done. Fly safe.